You want to learn how I made $46,500 in just 2 days just using my credit? Stay tuned. So having a credit score of 781 plus can make you $46,000 in 2 days, guys. So this is what I did. I first went to Apple Card and I was approved for $8,000. I then applied to a Marriott Vanboy Chase card and I was approved for $12,000. Now, American Express Barclays, it is still under review, so that may be more, but we don't know yet. Now, they wanted to actually identify, see if it was me, so I submitted some paperwork and I'm still under the review. Now, I then applied for PenFed Pathfinder, and that was approved for $15,000. I then went to Navy Federal and I applied for the Gold Rewards and I was approved for $1,000. Now, guys, all of this gave me 5 inquiries. I was able to then go to Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax and be able to delete all of these inquiries in less than 72 hours. Yes, less than 72 hours. That's the trick that we have. Now, guys, once I deleted those, I then went to some of my old credit cards, Walgreens and Synchrony. It is 2 Synchrony cards. One of them was $5,000. I requested to be updated or increased to a $20,000 increase, but they only gave me 10, which was fine. Now, the $2,000 I requested to be extended, or a credit line increase of $15,000, they only gave me 7.5, now, which is still fine. Now, all of this gave me a whopping $46,500. So guys, this is why I say that you need to learn. You need to be a sniper, a credit assassin. If you want to know more how I do these tricks, swipe left. I have a free gift for you. See you soon.